He gets to see what driving a race machine is like. Don't let all that power get to you now. Huh? Can you handle it? Don't worry, he's 16 with a driver's license. I promise. Huh? Is it in neutral?
Yeah.
Give her a rev. Come on. Rev it like it's Elon Musk. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Good afternoon, guys. Today's video is going to be about these Oxalum LED headlight bulbs. But before we get started, I have to talk about these ridiculous glasses that one of you guys thought would be funny to send me. I have no idea who it was, but they showed up. If I were to guess, it's one of you guys that don't like my Pit Viper. But to be honest with you, I think these things are uglier than the Pit Vipers. So we'll be sure to wear these ones and the Pit Vipers. But honestly, I don't know what these are or where they come from, but I actually kind of like it. Now I know they're a knockoff because they come in Chinese packaging, but if I were to guess, they're like an Oakley knockoff. So these are like an H11 bulb, H9 bulb. We put them in my Chevy 1500 Silverado, and we put them in there before we went to Duggar, Indiana for the ride. Now, I have to say, guys, I really like them. And I'm going to play you some footage of these driving down the road and show you exactly what they look like at night. Guys, they really do a good job. So I'm going to have some links down in the description as to where you can find these things. Definitely want to check them out. Now, I also have them, if you didn't see my video, I also have them down in my fog lamps. Those actually work pretty good too. And referring to my other video, they actually put the filament, which is the LED bulb in this case, in the exact same location as the stock headlight bulb. So it will go with the stock housing and it won't mess with the light beam. I have more information on these bulbs in another video, which I'll have linked down below also. I show you the bulb, I go into detail on the bulb. This video is just a review and what we think of it. And I have to say, guys, every bulb this company has sent me so far to review, I really end up liking them. So I'm going to see if they'll send me a set to put in my wife's Kia, because I really like these bulbs. They're good quality. Now these ones, they don't have a fan on them or anything, which is a good thing, because most companies, they advertise a fan. Fan goes on them, fan goes on them, but then they end up going in the headlight housing and then a black cover goes on top of it. So essentially the fan's worthless and the fan burns out really quick. I have a set like that in my side-by-side. The fan's burnt out fast. And now the bulbs are still going to town. They're still working great, my side-by-sides. But the fans burn up and quit working. So this company, they were a little smarter about it, and they just didn't even put a fan on, didn't even bother, because they knew it was a waste of time. Either that or it's coincidence. They were just being lazy about it. I don't know, but it worked out for them. So that's this video. I want to thank you guys for watching and bear with me. I've been super sick this past week. I haven't been wanting to do anything much at all, really. And so I just kind of been chilling out, going to work, coming home, going straight to bed. So I don't even know if we're going to go camping this coming weekend or not. We'll see how I feel. I don't know. So, all right, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. God bless. We'll see you in the next one.